So in this one, we are going to right away get rid of the square root by squaring. But in order to do this part correctly, you have to remember that it's a subtraction sign, which means I got to do them side by side. So we're going to distribute. Distribute. And that's going to give us x squared minus 8x plus 16. Now this 2 here means it's a quadratic, so we need everything on one side. So we're going to subtract 10, and we're going to add 3x. So we get 0 is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6. So now we want to factor. So what numbers will multiply to give you 6 and add up to negative 5? So negative 2 and negative 3 will. And I'm just going to carry this up here. But those are not our answers. Those are our factors. So remember what we do is we set each factor equal to 0. We did a lot of this last trimester. So then we're going to add 2 and add 2. Add 3 and add 3. And the last solving one is this. Remember, if you read closely, it says D is the distance and H is the height. So when I write my problem out here, again, it may make more sense to you. Remember, this is a root, so just rewrite the problem based on the way that we are used to seeing them. It says determine the eye level height of a person if he or she can see 2.7 miles out. So they are showing you in here that that is the distance. Alright, so to start solving, we are going to square both sides. And when you square this, don't round it on your calculator. We don't round until the very end of the problem. And then we're going to divide by 1.35 to get H all by itself. So H is 5.60 miles. If they give you units in the problem, you should give me units.